Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. Let's set up food order model. So in food order model, we're gonna go with this variables. We have food model, restaurant model, user address model, user model, then delivery partner model, string, order ID, string, order status, date time, order placed, like when the order was placed, and date time when the order was delivered. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna create the constructor and then create JSON serialization. Make sure you are going with a null check here in delivery partner model, because by default it's going to be a null. Now the next thing which we want to do is that we will go to services, and here we will add a new folder naming it food order services. And for this model, we will go to model, and here we will add a new folder food order model, and inside of it we will go with a file naming it food order model, and we will go with this datas, or you can say this variables there. Now inside of food order services, we have food order services, and here we have written a small function that is order status. So by default, whenever we'll trigger the food request, the order status, it's going to be food under preparation. So it's basically this one, order status. Next, it's going to be food pickup by delivery partner, and at last it's going to be food delivered. Now the next thing which we are looking forward for is, okay, in food order model we want to go with another, okay, we don't need another parameter, it's good. Now the next thing which we want is a function to upload this data to the database. So we'll go with let's go with food order request, and it's going to be of type asynchronous. Here we'll go with place food order request. It will be of type asynchronous. So what we're going to do is that here we do have functions, that is delivery partner services, or you can say fetch restaurant services. So what we're going to do is that we are now in the project Uber Eats. We will move to Uber Eats driver, and here we do have a function that is register driver. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this function, we'll copy this function, move back here, and inside of the services, that is food order services, we will paste this, and here we'll go with place food order request. Now we have to import the database ref, and here we have to go with food order model. Let's import material here, and we are good. So here we do have real-time database ref child driver, and here we'll go with orders, and inside of it we will go with the order ID. So let's go to the food order model, and here we do have order ID. So we will go with, we'll remove this auth, and here we'll go with it's going to be food order model, food order model dot order ID.
And here we will, okay, here we do have orders. Let's go with, here we do have orders, and here we do have food order ID. So we'll go with food order model dot to map. And after this, we want to show a toast message. Here we will go with the toast message as order place successful. And we will remove this navigator code. And here we will go with oops. Order placed. So here with oops issues placing order, and it's going to be error, and we will remove this line of code also. So let's have a look. Here we have to make this function asynchronous. We will make this, let's not make this await, it's good. So this is the request for food order request, and it's good. Now let's create a same function to add orders, or you can say add the data onto cart. So we'll copy this function, paste here, and here we'll go with add to cart, and it's going to be cart, and here we will go with another or dot current user dot uid. So here we'll add a null check, and here it's going to be food order model order id. Food added to cart. Remove this one, and here we'll go with successfully added to cart, and here we will go with the error messages oops issues adding food data to cart. So we'll go to food order model. Here we have food details. Here we do have restaurant details. Here we do have user address data, user data, and okay, we don't need this user address. Let's make this user address model nullable. Here also we will make this field nullable. We will make this field nullable. We'll go with date time added to cart at, and we will make this field nullable. Okay, now let's create constructor and then create JSON serialization. Now let's run the app and let's add some food data onto our cart.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.